Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Monica and I'm back with another mini haul. This time I have a mini haul from Macy. I had that coupon from that comes in the Macy's beauty box, the subscription box, and I just went online and checked their website. I used to do this a while ago, but it's been probably a year since I bought something from Macy. And I was looking on their account and I saw a palette from Clinique which I really liked. I placed an order for this palette and a couple more items, but unfortunately after 2 days probably they sent me an email that letting me know that they don't have that palette anymore in stock, so they cancel part of my order. So anyway, I got the rest of the items. I highly suggest you to check Macy's website because they come very often with beauty deals, all kind of gifts and kits with all kind of from products from skincare, makeup, body care, and whatever you wanna buy. You're gonna find great deals there. So I got a couple items and I want to mention that the packaging, the shipping is free. If you want to buy something from them, the shipping is free. Also comes quite quickly. I got this in about 3 days or somewhere around. Anyway, they send everything in this box and was and of course it's upside down, but it doesn't matter. They sent me the couple word items actually that I had left in this box, which arrived safe because I had lately so many problems actually with the products that I ordered online. But anyway, what I want to show you, in this box they put all the items in this bag, which I think it's really nice comparing the packaging from Macy with for example the Fat Fit Fun, who is throwing everything in the box and ship it to you. From Macy you get a good packaging and the items come safe. So they send me this bag, everything in this bag, although there are not many products, but as packaging, hands down. So let's see what I have in here. With that order were two samples. I don't know, each one of the products came with a sample, another one also, but I saw in the bag they sent me another bag with samples which wasn't mentioned in the order, and in this one are some perfume samples, which I think it's great and very nice of them. So they sent me the Versace Eros. They sent me the Moon Party from Yves Saint Laurent, Victor and Rolf that I have this week in my samples of the week, Prada, and Estee Lauder. So I think it's nice of them to send those items, those samples actually. Not many websites online websites are sending samples, free samples, so I appreciate that. Then I have in here two samples that came with orders. One of them it's the Elizabeth Arden, the Dead Serum, the one that comes in capsule. This sample has two of them, and I will leave this one away for samples bags because I have the full size. It's not much, two capsules in this one, but at least you can have an idea what's about. And the second sample was something that I wanted to try, and I have actually some products in the samples of the week for this week. I have no idea when I'm gonna post this, so it might not be true if I'll post this after Sunday. Anyway, this is the Laura Mercier and this is Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation. I wanted to try this one for a while. Right now I'm trying the Radiance Primer and a moisturizer, a tinted moisturizer, but I'm happy that I got the samples to see how the foundation is. So this is all a sample. And also if you're looking for a gift, or because the season of gifting it's coming pretty fast, if you're looking for a gift, you will find their great mix of products as gifts, and products that you can't find on Sephora or Ulta. So what I got in here, I got from MAC. This is Look in a Box Blazing Hood. It's a set with 5 lipsticks, which looks like this. I will leave the links down below. And also for those lipsticks that I got in this order, and in another haul that I will have after this one, I will try them in a different video. So this MAC set looks like this. Pretty nice packaging. I'm gonna show you just one of them as a color. It's a pretty nice red. So deluxe samples. I don't know exactly how much was this. I don't have any price, but this might be a great gift for somebody who loves MAC, trying on some new lipsticks. So I will have this in a future video, not too long, probably after this one. But it was the first item that I got. Also, they have this set from Clinique, and I believe this is the something like the winter edition, because I saw the advent calendar. You have those Christmas tree ornaments as print on the lipsticks. I believe this is from the will be from the winter collection, because I saw the same print like here on the advent calendar in the UK. So they come in this box, which is very pretty, I would say. Here is the face of this one with the Clinique logo. And let's see how we'll open this one. Okay. Yeah, it has those clear stickers. And because I have 2 sets from Clinique, I will leave them also for a different video to review them. So comes with this plastic foil, and those are the lipsticks. Again, 5 of them. This one are in a bigger size. I will give you details about them in one of my next videos. Here is one of the colors, and this one is called, let's find the name in here. This is Clinique Kisses. So pretty nice packaging. Another great gift for somebody. I will leave the links and the prices in the description box as usually. But I think this might be another cute gift. So here is the set from Clinique. Also another set from Clinique, still with lipsticks, is this one right here. And this one actually looks like this. This one is Clinique Prep Start. Here is the box, and comes with 3. I'm not sure if one of them is not a lip balm. We got 3 of them in here. The packaging is very cute with the holder, and this one is Perfecting Balm. Actually, the 3 of them are lip balms in 3 shades, and this is one of them, and this is all you get in this as a lip balm. So 3 colors in here. I will show for sure. I will have a video with this balm set, with this one, and with this one. So actually no, it's not all from Clinique. I supposed to have an eyeshadow palette, which was pretty nice, but in 2 days they sent me an email canceling that part of the order. Also, what I remarked on Macy's, I got the Mario Badescu skincare. This one is a $30 kit and has a value of 40. This one is from combo and oily skin type. It's a regimen kit which comes with a cleanse, a toner, a moisturizer, and two periwick purifying. Probably this is a mask. It's a flower and tonic mask. And a bonus, in this box you get the enzyme cleansing gel in 2 fluid ounces. You get the cucumber cleansing lotion, which is a toner actually, and this one is in 2 fluid ounces. The next product, moisturizer, it's aloe moisturizer, and this one comes with 1 fluid ounce. The third one, the fourth product, it's a flower and tonic mask, and this one comes in 34 grams, which is 0.5 ounce, is this one right here. And we have a bonus item here, and this one is seaweed night cream. Take your regimen one step further. So this one has, it doesn't say how much is in that one, but what I want to mention to you, you can find those kits at Ulta and Sephora too. But if you go on the Macy, you don't pay for shipping, and also you will find there all kind of all the skin types. I got the combo oily one. For me, they have the normal one, they have the combo dry one, they have probably couple others. I will leave the link down below, but there are plenty to choose the one that goes for your skin type, which I really appreciate, because sometimes you go on a website and you find just the normal one, or the one for dry skin, or wherever it's your luck. So here is another great item that I got from them, with the one that works for me. And also they have their, and as I said, pretty soon is gonna be the season of gifting. I got this palette, and I didn't even look close to see that this comes in a kit actually. It's from Too Faced. Very nice bag here. And this one, actually, I ordered the palette, but I didn't look very close, and this one comes also with 2 more products, and I'll show you in a minute what are the other 2. Here is the palette, and this one is called Glitter Bomb. Looks like this. And let me know if you need to do a review for this one. It's a really pretty packaging, which looks like this, and inside of those clear letters there is some glitter also. When I move them you can see them here. So it's a pretty nice packaging. And let me show you how the palette comes with a mirror, and here is the palette inside. I think it's a very pretty palette. I will do at least a video with swatches from this one if you want to see them, but so far I think it's a pretty nice one. So couple nice shades in here, all of them shimmery shades. So this is the palette, and this one comes in a set with 2 more items, and this one's the 2 of them, of course, from Too Faced, and this one is Liquid Art Eyeliner Sketch Marker. It's a full size. And here is the eyeliner. Let me swatch this for you. Here is the tip of this. Very black. Gives you a thin line, and it's what I am looking for when I'm buying an eyeliner. I didn't have idea that this one is here, but anyway, I'm glad it is, because I like The black in this one, it's a very dark black and has that kind of shine. It's not matte. I don't like matte eyeliners, but anyway, sometimes you get a good one. And the last one in here, it's Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner. Never heard of this. Is this one right here? Yeah, as usual, I hold it upside down. Looks like this in this beautiful packaging, the holographic packaging. And actually it's a gold glitter eyeliner, another full size. Here is the tip of this one. So with this kit you get ready for holidays in no time. You don't need anything else. I hope you can see the eyeliner. It's a pretty nice gold, applies very easy and doesn't leave those empty space like many other glitter eyeliners. It's quite not thick, I would say, but it's a nice one anyway. So I don't think I used before a glitter eyeliner. No, I don't think so. So we'll try this one and we'll see. So far, whatever was the price for this one, and I will leave it down below, I think was well worth it, because I didn't know those two are here. I was watching the palette actually, but those two came in the bag, and I'm glad they are here because the two eyeliners are pretty nice. So yeah, that's kind of all in this mini haul. Let me know which item do you like from my mini haul. Let me know if you want to see swatches for this palette. I didn't see this palette at Ulta or Sephora, but it's true, I didn't look for. Sometimes each retailer like Macy, Ulta or Sephora has products that you can find just on their websites. Same thing with Macy. So that's kind of all for this mini haul. I will see you very soon. Also, Macy around holidays has beautiful deluxe sample beauty boxes with skincare and makeup. I have a couple of them on my channel from last year, and those were pretty nice items. Also, Dillard's usually has around the holiday has a collaboration with New Beauty, and they come with kind of big boxes. Last year they were $25. Well worth it, because there were just high-end brands as skincare in deluxe samples. It's true, but great items. I'll keep an eye on those. When I'll find them, I will leave in the description box down below. As I said, if I don't post a video or whatever I'm posting, the last beauty deals and news are gonna be in the description box. Always check my last video, because there are a couple of them on sale right now, like Sephora favorites, new kits. The New Beauty has their fall box. Also Beach Box has couple new limited edition discovery bags and a new limited edition box, and many others. Also I have the links for the advent calendars in there all the time. When one of them is available and it's something that I like, I will leave the link in the description box. So that's kind of all for this video. I will see you guys very soon. You have a great day or an easy night if it's night there. As I said, I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.